Hi there, students. To decline, a verb. Decline, a noun, a countable noun. Okay, we have various meanings for this word decline. I think the first one is to decrease in number, to decrease in amount. Normally something good that is gently or gradually going down. So the number of people visiting this place over the past few years has declined. It's gone down. The economy was going really, really well, but it has declined. It has been declining over several years. There has been a decline in the popularity of this product. Okay, to decline, to refuse an offer. He declined my offer. He said no to my offer. He declined my generous offer. Are you sure you want to decline? I'm sure you've probably seen this word in internet. Do you accept the conditions on terms and conditions? Accept, decline, to say no. Now we also actually have a third meaning of to decline. We have the verb a declension. This is to do with languages, I think particularly Latin. I think I always remember my Latin master at school saying, decline mensa. Mensa, mensam, mensai, mensai, mensa. I can't remember any more of it. Let's see. These are the different parts of a noun. So one is a subject, one is an object, one is a possessive. I think there's an ablative and a dative as well. And this is also to decline. Okay, so to decline, to decrease, to get less, to become less, particularly from of something that is good, something that is desired. So the effectiveness of my brain has been declining over the years. So it was a lot better, but now, well, it's a little bit weaker. To decline an offer. Okay, you make an offer and then somebody can accept that offer or decline it. She declined my offer of a lift home. He declined her offer of having lunch together. Okay, so to decline, to say no to something. And then finally we have this to decline a noun. Yeah, to give one after the other the different parts of a noun. I think there are three declensions, masculine, feminine and neuter declension. So this comes from the, effectively, it's something you would learn in Latin or in Greek. Okay, so what about formality? Okay, so there has been a decline in the popularity of this series. I would say 5.5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere. He declined my offer, to say no. I would say probably 6.5 informality. I think more informally just to refuse an offer. He refused my generous offer. I think to decline, use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then finally this thing in Latin or in ancient Greek, to decline a noun. This is pretty technical. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think use in education, use in class, use in semi-formal or formal circumstances. And then finally, what about the formality? Well, sorry, what about the origin? Well, this comes from Latin. Hey, yes. Declinare. Okay, day, I think this is probably of or maybe down. And then clinare is to bend. Okay, so maybe to bend down. I think probably the opposite of decline is incline, inclinare. Yeah, so decline, incline. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.